This video is in correspondence to claim number 0782848279 at 3612 Stockley Way. The homeowner has called us out to give an inspection, namely focusing on the attempted repair that the homeowner has made on his own behalf with his own expense. Upon inspection, we have noted that all throughout said repair we have many of the shingles that have creased from the repair in this previous month, which, due to irreparability and the fragileness of the existing roof, the shingle is no longer adhering and has creased. Just for several other examples, another crease, no ability for the adhesion of the existing shingles in the new repair. This has continued all around the perimeter, the eaves of the roof, where these creased shingles with no adhesion is proving to be a failed system of the roof. If our homeowner was to replace this row, given the age of the roof and the brittleness, it is highly likely that a continuation would need to be done for more repairs of the shingles. Just to check each one to see if there is adhesion at any point. There is not. Each shingle above the repair has failed adhesive and has failed brittleness. As you can see, we have creasing to these shingles. It is with that the homeowner is requesting that there be a reinspection or reevaluation of the estimate for a full replacement of the roofing system.